Good morning, children. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine. Children, to all of you, I am wishing you a very happy Gandhi Jayanti. As you know, children, today we are celebrating 151st birthday of Gandhi ji. In this special day, children, I am sharing some of the quotes delivered by Gandhi ji. So, in this video or through this video, I am just sharing with you some of the inspiring quotes delivered by Gandhi ji. In a gentle way, you can shake the world. That means if we want a change, it is not necessary to go for a fighting. Through the path of ahimsa, gently we can shake the world. Number 2, if we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change. I am repeating, if we could change ourselves, the tendencies in the world would also change. As a man changes his own rich nature, as a man changes his own nature, so does the attitude of the world change towards him. We need not wait to see what others do. That means if we want change, first of all, we have to change ourselves only. Next, happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. That means we can achieve happiness when there is a harmony among the thing, what we are thinking, what we are saying, as well as what we are doing. Everything must be in a parity, then only we can achieve happiness. Next, a man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. That means the way a person thinks, the person is being only that type of person. A man is but a product of his thoughts. What he thinks, he becomes. The way the person is thinking, the person would become like that only. The person will become like that only. I am repeating the same words once again. The way a person thinks, the person or the man would be like that only. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet. So, what he wanted to say? He wanted to say कि I will not give entry to any one person or any person within my mind, those who are having dirty mind. Okay, beta? Next, live as if you were to die tomorrow. That means you live like that you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. But you learn the things that way so that as if you were to live forever. Okay, beta? So live the life that way as if you were to die tomorrow only. But learn the things as if you were to live forever, ever and ever. Next thought given by Gandhiji. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. That means forgiveness, the quality of forgiveness, it is only lying within the person who is become a strong man by the heart. A weak person never forgive others. Nobody can hurt me without my permission. Next thought. He just wanted to say, make your heart so strong so that nobody, no person can hurt you without your permission only. So make yourself that kind of human being, such a strong human being, so that nobody can never hurt you. So, beta, these are the some of the thoughts delivered by Gandhiji. Now, lastly, I am showing you one collage. These are our lifetime achievement. These are some rare pictures of Gandhiji. And at the middle only, there are two legendary persons. One is Lal Bahadur Shastri, another is Gandhiji. So the middle picture in the collage is of two legendary persons. One is of Gandhiji and one is of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, and both of them sharing their birthday on the same day. Beta, here I am just winding up this much in this video, and in the next video I am going to share something more about Gandhiji. Okay, children? So, till then, goodbye. Take care.